Welcome to the Nourish kitchen. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up a cutting board and how to safely hold and use your knife. Knife skills are one of the most important techniques you can use in the kitchen. Proper knife skills will help you break down vegetables to the desired size, and daily practice of these techniques will keep you safe during the process. You will use knife skills every day in the kitchen. For this knife safety video, you will need the following equipment: a cutting board, a damp towel, and the knife you most commonly use at home. Prior to cutting anything, you want to make sure that the items you are using are clean. This means a clean and dry cutting board and knife. In addition, it's important that you also clean and dry the fruits and vegetables you are going to prepare. Before we begin, you want to make sure that your knife is sharp. A dull knife is difficult to use and most likely to cause injury. Let's set up your cutting board. The key here is to make sure the cutting board is stable and secure. A wobbly cutting board is not safe. An easy way to secure your cutting board is to place a damp paper towel or non-slip mat under this. After you do this, test and make sure the cutting board is stable. Now let's review how to hold a knife. You will want to take the thumb and index finger and pinch the bottom of the blade. Take the other 3 fingers and wrap them around the handle. This will give you a secure grip on the blade, so you have the most control while you cut. This may feel a little uncomfortable at first if you're not used to holding your knife like this, but with practice, you will find it to be easy. One common mistake people make while cutting is picking up the knife off the cutting board and chopping aggressively downwards with force. This is not the safest way to use your knife, nor the best way to get even cuts. So instead, practice the rocking motion. Keep the tip of the knife on the cutting board and let the middle and bottom part of the knife do the work. Practice the rocking motion to get used to the technique before you start cutting. The bridge method is a secure way to hold your vegetable while you split or slice them in half. To use this method, place your thumb on one side of the vegetable and the other fingers on the opposite side. Your hand resembles a bridge above the vegetable, allowing you to firmly hold the vegetable while your fingers are out of harm's way. Remember, when cutting, to rotate the vegetable, not your body. There you have it, some different knife skills to use next time you're in the kitchen. Thanks for cooking with us. Hope you enjoy.